Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Krispy Kreme donuts. Yeah.
Krispy Kreme.
I know you guys are like, wait a minute, where's the food? But we felt like eating a dessert.
Dessert, you know, something light, you know.
Yes.
So you know.
Krispy Kreme, guys.
Krispy Kreme. Best donut ever.
So you know when we go there, we have to buy 2 dozen because they always entice you by saying you can get 2 dozen for that.
But we also have the app for that too, but they ain't have nothing on the app for that.
Yes, I don't have enough points yet, but when I get there, I will let you know. So my husband has his donuts. My donuts are warm. He doesn't mind if they're warm or cold, but I like to have them warm. And I have some almond milk. Yeah. Okay.
That's what First Lady like right there.
I drink almond milk, and yes, I brought the whole jug out here.
That's why.
Because when I'm eating donuts or treats, I have to take a bite and sip my drink. So don't bother judge me or say something in the comment section.
You know, if I forget to take out my do-rag, I'll take it off right now.
You want to take your do-rag?
Yeah, I'll take it off.
Oh, you feel like showing your fresh cut?
Why you ain't tell me I have my do-rag on, son? I felt some type of way right now, you know?
They focus on the donut, that's the problem.
I'll take out my do-rag, you know what I mean?
Donuts, I'm going to look for my use. You want a napkin?
No, I ain't no napkin. When I eat no food today, but I'm gonna probably need one later. And then also, I got sugarcane drink, you know. We went to the hood, you know what I'm saying? And we had to go cop the sugarcane. Sugarcane.
I have some coconut water with some jelly in it, but I can't eat, what call it?
You can't go on that.
I can't eat donuts or cake without my milk. So I have it, and then I have to have ice in my milk. I don't know who else does that, but this is what I like. Yeah. I have to have ice in my milk. It's so warm. Look at that. Yeah. It's soft. See how soft it is? Because it's warm.
I know y'all love Krispy Kreme. Trust me. Krispy Kreme is this thing. But you know what? Let me put you on something, family. For all the Krispy Kreme lovers. Who didn't know? Well, when you go to Krispy Kreme, when the light is on, they're fresh. Right, Freddie? You never know that, huh?
That's right.
You put your on. Whenever you go to Krispy Kreme and you see that red light is on, that means they're fresh coming off right out of the oven thing.
Right out the oven.
Right out the oven.
It's gonna be nice and warm.
Warm and soft like these. You know what I'm saying? So, let us know. First, you know something? I the whole box.
You did one time.
Yeah, I did. I ate up a whole box of Krispy Kreme, a box and a half. 12 come in here.
You did.
Let us know if you have Krispy Kreme and if you like Krispy Kreme. And if you don't, still let us know. Well, yeah, I got my sugar cane. You know we gotta have sugar cane. Wow. I'm gonna pour that right now.
So, let me tell you guys how I found out that when the light is on, it means that they're fresh, they just got out the oven, they'll be nice and warm. Meaning they're not going to be in a display, it's going to be
right up the conveyor belt.
That's right.
Coming right out.
I went somewhere with one of my friends and we was driving and we was passing a Krispy Kreme donuts. And she was like, oh my god. And I'm like, what happened? What's wrong? She's like, the light is on. And I'm like, where? I don't understand. At Krispy Kreme donuts. And I'm like, so? Mind you, I didn't know anything about it. She's like, that means that they're fresh. I said, oh, I didn't know that. Yep. I thought she was gonna crash. Because she saw the red light on.
I thought somebody would hijack the car. But yeah.
That's how I found out.
That's how you found out. So now we're putting you on. And now, if we don't see that light on, we're not going because we don't want it out the shelf. Yeah. We want it off right off the belt.
Right. Oops.
But can I bring the glass, man? But yeah. This right here, a lot of people say it's too sweet, but
the one that we go to, it can be sweet.
All right, bite your tongue.
No, I'm gonna spit out. The one that we go to, they don't. Their glaze is more thin. It's not so thick.
Yeah.
So it's very like crunchy on the outside, and then inside is nice and chewy. It's really good.
Mine's nice. I'm soon gonna help you here. How much you eat already?
1.5.
1.5 I eat alone? My goodness. And you know what? I'm gonna tell them.
You gonna tell them a lie?
No, I'm gonna tell them something good. You come back to me. I'm gonna tell them something good now. You're gonna tell them about the donuts soon.
Oh, donuts? But they have different flavors. It's not just glaze.
Yeah. We are glazed. We love the glaze. Let us know what flavors y'all like. But you know, glaze, you gotta go glaze or go home. But to tell you the truth, I don't think everybody have Krispy Kreme where they at.
Maybe not.
Yeah. So let me know if you have it. And if you do have it, I need to go try it. And if you haven't tried it, make sure.
And like Richie said, you can download their app as well. I think it's a point system. But even if you don't, sometimes you sign up for the reward program and they'll email you, buy a dozen, get a dozen for free. One time they had buy a dozen, get 2 dozen for free.
Right, now I enjoy my juice. Okay, juice nice, man. Oh, that's it. You know what I kiss about it. So you don't want to give me your coconut what that's on my taste?
No, because I don't want it to mess up my taste. It's gonna interfere with my milk.
It don't matter if you mess up your taste. I'm gonna eat it. Rick, how was your day? Oh my gosh. Why? When you get caught up in this goodness, you know what I'm saying? Donut. Can't go wrong with donut. I know y'all love donut.
Don't say we, say you, because you always ask them about their day 2 hours later.
What? I'm eating.
That's more important.
I'm eating. But I'm gonna ask them. They know that. No. They know it's gonna come.
Look, a C.
No. No matter what you eat first day, you still eat the same.
Yep.
She's the best. These donuts is really, really good, family. I ain't gonna lie to you, no cap. That's what they say, no cap.
I guess. Where's that from?
Let me say the word no cap.
You should be saying those words. I'm like, what?
I'm genuine, so
Here goes genuine again. I'm looking fresh though, I ain't gonna lie.
She put much up now my own. But again, for real, how was your day, man? I'm still waiting. Oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna say now. I'm listening. Tell me what you're gonna say first, and then I tell you. I don't wanna mess up. I know you're not eating donuts. I know you're eating a good cooked food. Well, don't worry. This is what I'm gonna say to y'all. We wanna do a dessert marathon. That's what I'm gonna say first day. A dessert marathon. So, if you want to see some dessert, you know what I'm saying? Baking. We're gonna be not baking like the pork. We're gonna be baking. First, we're gonna be baking, making some good dessert dish, and we want to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see that, let us know in the comments. You know what I'm saying? First lady's a good baker too.
I can bake some good stuff.
You can bake some good stuff, and y'all be surprised. Y'all was like, okay, I want to try that. So let us know if you want to see us do a dessert marathon, cause we got all kind of stuff. But this is what it felt like today, you know?
Yeah.
Something right. Yeah. So.
We just feel like eating. It doesn't make any sense. I say anything. It's just mind my business, right? Anyway, we just feel like just eating this.
And we have to go a while for this too.
Yeah.
You know how far we have to drive for this to get Krispy Kreme? Almost an hour and a half.
Yeah. But we didn't just drive there for that. We had something else to do also. I mean, the people didn't think that we just drive around for food. We did. We drove for food. We drove.
Anywhere the food is, I go get it.
We drove for food. He don't care.
You're the one, a nice one.
Cause it's mine. That's why it tastes better.
Really? Wow.
Honey, what do you think I should do to my hair? I feel like I need something to do to my hair.
Ask the woman them. Man or woman.
When our family wasn't here, I would ask you and you would tell me. Now you acting up. You see what I'm talking about? He's letting YouTube get to his head.
I'm Hollywood, son. I'm Hollywood right now. You feel me? Ladies, what do you think Brittany should do to hair?
Do you think I should do braids again?
Yeah.
Or should I do goddess locks?
Goddess locks. And then, yeah, if y'all know who do first lady hair, comment down. Let me know who be doing first lady hair. Let me see if y'all really know, if y'all pay attention. Okay?
I'm getting some more milk.
And if you haven't tried almond milk, try that.
It's really
that joint
good.
be hitting. Yeah.
Yeah. So, let me know in the comment section if I should do braids again or if I should do the goddess locks.
And before this video done, I got a word of wisdom speech for y'all. Yeah. Pastor Richie's in the building. Yeah.
I'm sorry, honey, that statue?
Word of wisdom, you know what I'm saying?
It looks good.
And when I let y'all know the word of wisdom, y'all comment down and tell me if y'all could relate and let me know what it means to y'all.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Pastor Richie?
Yeah, man. Pastor Richie in the building, man. Pastor Rasta Rich. Pastor Rasta Rich in the building now. Yeah. But yeah, every day y'all gonna get a word of wisdom. You know what I'm saying? Starting from today, you know? And I want y'all to let me know. You know what on there? Have me on one. You want half?
I'll take half. Thank you.
Buy piece.
I'll take half of my donut.
Buy piece.
No,
Buy
break
piece.
it in half. You know, buy piece.
Well,
I'll take half of my donut.
I actually don't want it.
Keep it up. You better give me a piece. No, break it off.
Break me up a piece of that Kit Kat bar. You remember that commercial? I know y'all do.
Break me up a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
It's still on.
Wow. I like this dessert thing now. I'm feeling it. Cause I know I'll make some good stuff.
Honey, I gave you 9 donuts.
You gave me 9 donuts? No way you could have given me 9 donuts. How much you took?
Hold on, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's no way you could
I
have
gave you 8 donuts. I gave him 8 donuts. Yes, not 9. I gave him 8 donuts and I took 6. So he ate 10 donuts.
I don't see
10 and
that.
a half, actually. If there was more donuts here, he would eat them.
This, in Jamaica we call it cane. But you know up here, they call it sugar cane.
But
Same thing.
How do they make the juice, though? What do they do?
They squeeze it, they have the machine. They ready to the machine and then with the shell and everything.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's how they do it. They got the machine grinder. So they put the skin and everything. They don't peel it like how we do it in Jamaica. They just put everything in it with the skin and then squeeze it through the machine. And the machine squeeze it out and then they strain it.
Wow.
But yeah,
That's pretty cool.
sugar cane. If you never had it, but that's how it is right here.
But you know, people in Jamaica, even though you're saying to yourself this is much easier than peeling the sugar, the can and eating it, people in Jamaica still would drink that, but they prefer to peel the can themselves and chew it up. That's the best part.
That's true.
I wish they had more Jamaican stuff, like Jamaican fruits, but it's not in season, because then we can have like a little spread for that.
Damn, those good. All right.
That was really good.
You know, it was something fast we gave ya, you know? Light video. But listen, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Don't, not yet first day. Don't go say, I know there's a million of you. No, we're not ready yet.
Okay.
The word of wisdom today, family. Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. You heard what I said? Intelligence without ambition is a bird without wings. Tell me what that means to you in the comment section, or if y'all can relate to that.
All right, guys. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.